Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to withdraw from GMGN Telegram wallet. Firstly, before you can withdraw, set up Google Authenticator on your GMGN account. Without completing this, all withdrawal options will be locked. Go to your GMGN account and enable it. Now, go to the GMGN website. In the top right, click on Deposit or Withdraw. Then set your wishlisted withdrawal address. On the GMGN Telegram bot, click on Withdraw. This will redirect you to the GMGN website. On the site, go to the Withdraw section on the top right corner and make sure the correct wallet is selected. If you want to withdraw from another wallet, just go to the Multi-Wallet Manager. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Just note that clicking max will not withdraw your full balance. Each wallet must keep a small balance for network fees and storage. And after confirming the details, finalize the withdrawal. And once confirmed, your funds will be sent to the whitelisted address. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.